What elements come into play when designing, constructing, and maintaining a wind farm far offshore? What is the potential for floating wind turbines to make offshore farms in deep waters a practical and viable solution? What needs to be done concerning the interaction between installation vessels and offshore wind turbines to ensure safety and efficiency during installation? The European Wind Energy Master offers the perfect program to those who want to play a leading role in renewable energy, challenging themselves by spending time in 3 different countries, in a classroom with talented engineering students from all over the world. The Offshore Engineering track is especially designed for future engineers interested in design, analysis, manufacturing, transport, installation, operation, and maintenance of offshore wind turbines and farms. Building on their internationally renowned research and education, Delft University of Technology and the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, with input from the Technical University of Denmark, combine forces within this track, offering you their best courses on stochastic modeling of soil, wind and waves, integrated aerodynamic, hydrodynamic load and response analyses, extreme response and fatigue damage prediction, probabilistic design methodologies, optimization of offshore support structures, and operation and maintenance issues. Alumni from the EWEM program work in a wide array of companies and positions in every corner of the world, both in industry and academia. Are you interested in joining them? Take a look at windenergymaster.eu and discover your potential in this inspiring wind energy program.